ಎಸ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಏನೋ ಮೆಟ್ಲು ಕೂಡ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ್ರಿ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ.
ಇಲ್ರಿ ಯಾರ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ
ಹೌದ್ ಕೆಲ್ಸ ಹಾಕೈತ್ರಿ. ಹೌದ್ರಿ
ಇವ್ರು ಬರೇ
ಏನ್ರ ಒಂದು ಬಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅದು ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್
ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರಿಪ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ. ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರಿಪ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ. ಒಟ್ಟ ಗ್ರಿಪ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಂದ್ರ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹಂಗಲ್ರಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ ಅವ್ರ ಅದ್ಯಾಕ ಅಷ್ಟ ಬರತೈತ್ರಿ.
ಎಂತ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತೆಗಿದ್ರಿ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ರಿ.
ಬೇಡ
ಈಗ ಅಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಮೈಕ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ.
ಮೈಕ್ ಚಾಲು ಐತಿ ಸರ್.
ಬೇಡ
ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ಐತ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಇದ್ದ ನಾವ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತೊಳಿಕ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಅದೇ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಚೀಫ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ನಾವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಅವ್ರ ಮುಂದಿರೋ ಬೆಂಚದ್ದು ನಾವು ತೊಳಿಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ ಮುಂದ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನಡೆಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನರೇಬಲ್ ಚೀಫ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್. ನಮ್ಗೇನ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ. 17 ಏನದು?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಲಿಸ್ಟುದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾರ ಹೇಳೋದಿದೆಯಾ? ಡಿಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಜಿ ಪಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಡಿಲೇಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪೇಜ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೇಜ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದಂಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಲೈನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸರಿ.
Registry has placed this matter before the court. Indicating order dated 11/9/2024. We have opposed the said order. By inadvertence, the order is not referred in the final judgment of the final judgment dated 11/9/2024. Registry after the word which reads which reads as literally that one. In view of the said order, the appellants are not entitled to interest for 798 days late. Says noted comment. The above sentence we added before the last paragraph. The last paragraph. We added in the judgment. No draft process.
Well, as per the order of the learned single judge, we have allotted an alternative site in another layout.
ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಾ?
One minute. I also produced the copy of the draft sale deed. And now, as your lordship may please to see. No, we have to send the draft sale deed. They have to bring the stamp duty, stamp paper, and produce the Aadhaar card and other things.
The order goes to allot lot number 610A as per the allotment letter. The allot granted to the company. Now the lots, what they have done is, they have allotted a plot which is allotted in a different layout, which is allotted unwanted plot that is there, that you know, they are allowed.
ಆ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಇದೆಯೇನು ಇನ್ನು?
That is not.
Is it
No, no, my submission, my lord, learned single my lordship please to see,
direction is very.
please, that direction only.
Any other site also?
Yes, any other side, any other layout,
Any other site reason ಬೇಕು.
yes.
ಮನಸ್ಸೇ ಬಂದಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ.
My lord, my submission, my lord, with due respect, it was my contention that there is no site number section 10A is in existence in the layout. That's why learned single judge, last operative portion of the order is stated, the respondent authority shall consider the same in accordance with law, bearing in mind the similar benefit extended to the land loser, and the plot number section 10A is not in existence. It is the duty of the respondent authority to allot a site of same dimension in some other layout. Because section 10A is, plot number section 10 is not in existence, therefore we have allotted.
610A ಇಲ್ವಾ ಈಗ?
No,
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರದ್ನ?
no, there is no plot number section 10 itself in the layout plan.
ಅಂತದ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
One minute, this one.
Documents not say.
ಅದ ಎನಿವೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ. Not that way. We have to interpret orders of the court without keeping our common sense in cold storage. With common sense we have to interpret. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we would have understood. ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಂಥದೇ ಬೇಕು ಲೈಫ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದೇ ಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂಗೇ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇದೇ ಹೂವೇ ಬೇಕು, ಇದೇ ಹಣ್ಣೆ ಬೇಕು, ಹಂಗಾಗಲ್ಲ ಲೈಫ್. ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ದಟ್ ಸೈಡ್.
I have built a compound surrounding that plot because it was allotted to me in 1989. I built a small little shed.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? Don't be attached to learn the art of detachment. Don't be attached to any piece of land. Ultimately, we are all being put in the piece of the land only. Don't be attached much. ಯಾವತ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ?
You need it tomorrow, today.
They have not suspected the case or not compromised that there is no plot number 10A, and they have lost enough to Supreme Court. But
No dispute.
I request my lord to only look at one document, my lord, says that 610A is available and it is also issued by the same authority. Page number 13.
13.
That is, my lord, the survey map of plot number 609 to 630. There, my lords will find
610A.
610A.
1, 2, 3, 4.
This is, my lord, issued by the Nagaradhari Adhikar. And, my lord, the next document is, my lord, the MP.
Brother, how you say that this is prepared by whom?
It was prepared by the retired surveyor, and without any instruction from the authority, it is not authentic document.
No, we are not on that.
Yes, please.
Whether 610A is there or not.
No. As per layout, our layout plan of scheme number 40.
Who has issued this
ಲೆಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 610A ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 27/9 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ತೋರಿಸಿ.
ಲೆಟರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪತ್ರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ.
Yes, brother.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ?
Yes,
ನಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ರೈಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ಪ್ಲಾನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
The plan is it. Yes, sir.
ರೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಅಪೀಲ್. Appeal is fought on that ground. There is no such site
No,
at all.
not only that ground, that no site was allotted to him.
That's one thing.
That's one thing.
But you have taken the contention, this site is not in existence.
Yes, sir.
That
But
is rejected.
learned single judge held that if the 610 site is not in existence,
But now we are saying it is in existence.
as per this layout plan, my lord,
Otherwise, who has filed the
Yes, please.
affidavit, to him we will prosecute, we will direct the prosecution. In level. How is that this document comes into existence?
I don't know that who has issued this, it is not issued by the authority.
No, you can't say that now. Because you have fought the case, battle lines were drawn up, you lost the case.
You will
Up to Supreme
also
Court.
pleased to see that as per layout, there is no 610.
Alright, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಈ layout ನಲ್ಲಿ? ಯಾವ ಖಾಲಿ ಇದೆ ಈ layout ನಲ್ಲಿ? Why in that layout? Give in this layout. You want to trouble him because he fought the legal battle?
No, that is not the case.
Answer
ma'am.
this
That is not
question. Whether any other say in the same layout, whether any other sites are available or not.
We have to verify.
We verify it by phone now. The panel counsel is directed to ascertain the information as to the availability of some other site in the very same layout within 10 minutes over phone call. Yes. Call this matter at 10:45, 11.
Same lot, there are corner and clear sites are
A
there.
carbon copy of the order shall be handed to him. Immediately. ಕೊಡಿ. 10 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
Please.
Availability 40-60 ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
No, well, that's why I will, my submission.
It gives an impression that your clients are playing mischief.
No, please, 1 minute, my lord. The map may be seen, my lord. This sketch map. If 610.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅವರು? ಯಾವ ಊರಿಂದ
Belagavi.
ಬೆಳಗಾಂ. Ask them to come at 2:30. The commissioner.
I will, 10 minutes, I will, availability, I will.
No, availability is there already.
No.
Ask your commissioner.
One second.
The commissioner of yadadu.
No,
Belgaum Urban Development Authority is hereby directed to be personally present before the court at sharp 2:30 and failure to appear may result into an order for arrest and detention being passed.
One submission, my lord.
2:30. Don't play with the court. Call him.
Please. 10 minutes.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸೈಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬಸ್ ಮನೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು 2:30 ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇದೊಂದಿದೆ.
No, within 10 minutes,
they will not do it.
within 10 minutes, I will make available.
They are hell-bent in defeating the
My,
order of the court.
my lord, within 10 minutes, I will get the information. They can available the site now.
Write this order. ಏನು ಆರದೆ ಹುಡುಗಾಟಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್? Yes.
Please. On the last occasion, the lordship was pleased to direct me to ascertain with regarding to depositing of the arrears insofar as the petitioner claim is concerned. Lord, already process is coming and we will comply the court order by 14. This order on the last occasion, the lordship directed me, as per the instructions given by the director, by 14th/10, they are going to comply and deposit before this honorable court.
Writ appeal ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? Will drop the dispose of the writ appeal in view of offered compliance.
My lord, one submission, the lordship, since my lord, we have taken a contention before in the appeal that the post where in the present respondent is working is not a vacant post, it is a backlog post which has been filled up by the Kannada lecturer.
Deposit ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅವರು.
Okay, for that. But as per the instructions given by the respondent number 2 director.
Learned HCGP on instruction of his client submits that his client would deposit
As per
the
the
amount payable in terms of the order whose violation is complained of in CCC number so and so.
Allah, contempt illa ide.
In writ appeal.
It is appeal filed by the state, my lord.
ನಿಮ್ಮ appeal na
Howdo.
in writ appeal number 100456/2023 within
14th by next date.
within 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks. As a precondition for maintaining this appeal.
Yes, sir.
Full stop. If amount is not accordingly deposited in the registry, comma, the appeal runs the risk of rejection on that ground per se.
Yes.
ಅದು ಡಿಲೇ ಕಂಡೋನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಬ್ರದರ್, ಡಿಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡೋನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Accepting the cost of delay of 216 days in filing the appeal is controlled. Accordingly, I have to appeal the case allowed.
In the meanwhile, I will take process in respect of respondent number 3's case.
2 weeks time granted to take steps to answer this.
Please.
You want to withdraw? What happened, Malika?
The order of which is now complained of before the gate, compliant with
The writ petitioner has filed a memo seeking leave of the court to withdraw the writ petition. Withdraw the petition. First off, memo dated 30/9/2024 reads as under. Objection ಇದೆಯಾ ಯಾರ್ದಾದ್ರು?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
You appear for
Please do this.
learned GA on being asked answers that he has no objection for grant of leave. First off, in view of the above, writ petition is dismissed as having been withdrawn. in terms of memo.
Reduced to 2,50,000 out of 3,00,000 uncle village. ಅದು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಉಂಕಲ್ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್ ದಿ ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್
ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವಾ?
Please.
3,23,000 ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಯಾವ ಎಂಎಫ್ಎ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ.
Yes, yes.
ವಿಜಿ ಬಟ್
103562 of 22. 103562 of 22. 3562
Of
22 minutes.
ನೋಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Six lords, I appear for my lords, accused number 1. We have complied with the order, my lords. The sale certificate is cancelled. May I request for a pass over, my lords? I'll file the notarized affidavit, my lords, along with that cancellation.
ಬೇಡ, ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ in the event if it is false.
No, I'll file it today itself.
Aggravated contempt.
No, I'll file it today itself. It is, my lords,
We
please,
believe
please,
there is
please.
no
Grateful,
reason.
grateful.
ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Learned counsel appearing for the respondent accused submits that the order whose violation is complained of has been duly complied with. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದು
ಸೇಲ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್
ಹೌದು.
ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
That, on that, there is some submissions.
First off, he further undertakes to return.
My lords, on that, my lords, may I, with permission, my lords.
ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೆಲ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
Yes, yes, I am on that, my lords. In the DRT, my lords, we have filed an original application where this is submitted, please.
Tenon on banking law, who is considered to be an authority on law of banking, says banker will have right of lien over the documents, though those documents are furnished by way of equitable mortgage for securing the repayment of other loan ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು that application where they have sought for recovery. After that one, they took permission from the DRT and auctioned my property. So that original application does not serve as
No,
a
no.
consideration. That has become infructuous. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅವರು ರಿಕವರಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಏನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ?
ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ದೇ ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಐ ರೀಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ one line. The respondent bank has no objection for same. They have agreed that the parties to their request regarding to the receipt of money otherwise is sufficient for the bank to act accordingly. They said in the writ petition, they will act accordingly. It is sufficient.
ಅಫಿಡೇವಿಟ್ ತರಿಸಿ.
My lords, one submission, my lords. The sale certificate, my lords, I mean, the auction was for the auction was, my lords, for rupees 29 lakhs. But the dues as on the date of auction was 36 lakhs. And for that earlier, my lord, already we had filed an OA for recovery. That is still pending. Now, my lords, there is due. My learned friend cannot deny that there is no due. 29 lakhs was the auction price, whereas the dues has on 36.
ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಮೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಬೈ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ
It is there. And yes, there is, and my lords, a mistake on part of the bank, wherein, my lords, we did not object for the compromise. Oh, maybe we might not have objected to the compromise, but as far as return of the documents are concerned, we ought to have, my lords, submitted before the court this fact. This was not done. Therefore, for clarification of that order, my lords, a writ appeal is filed. It was filed, my lords, yesterday. Howdu. Yak, that is, ಎದಕ್ಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ
List along with that.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
but as far as, my lord, sale certificate, we have cancelled that.
Recall that order.
ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಶ್ರೀ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ counsel appearing for the submits that sale certificate issued in favor of the successful bidder has been cancelled. Said submission placed on record. List this petition along with
Please.
No.
I am not a signatory to that compromise.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮೊದ್ಲಿಗೇನಿತ್ತು, ರಿಟ್ ನೋ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಆನ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಅಂತಿತ್ತು. ದಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಲಿಸನ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ 3-judge bench of the apex court in 2023. There is such a judgment, nodi, because all through we have been taught the no appeal against compromise decree. ಹೌದು ಹೌದು, there is a tenet on banking law is one of the best books. Youngsters ಯಾರು ಇದ್ರೆ law of banking ನಲ್ಲಿ two very famous books. One is Banerjee, another is Tenet. They are wonderful books with Apex Court has placed encomia on that author.
I'll file the affidavit of my lords in the register.
Along with
Please.
men.
No, no. I have filed my affidavit, compliance affidavit.
ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Consider, direction to consider the representation ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
The learned single judge, wide order dated 6/6/2024, entered in complainants WP 102967 of 2024, KLR Res had directed the answering respondent herein to consider application of the petitioner dated 11/3/2024 and pass appropriate orders in accordance with law within an outer limit of 3 weeks. First off, the complaint alleges violation of the said mandate. First, next paragraph. Learned government advocate appearing for the answering respondents submits that in terms of mandate of the learned single judge, consideration having taken place, an order has been passed on
13/6/2024.
13/6/2024. First off, here a copy whereof is produced as document number 1 to the compliance affidavit filed on 12/9/2024. First off, he says, and we agree that there is compliance. First off, in view of the above, these proceedings are liable to be dropped, and accordingly they are, costs having been made easy. First off, if there is any residual grievance, the same may be worked out elsewhere in accordance with law, and in that connection, all contentions of the parties are kept open. Yes, so Sadiq sir.
In this case, I undertake to appear for accused number 1 to 4, my lord. I undertake to appear for accused number 1 to 4. ESCOM.
Compliance ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ?
Compliance ಆಗಿದೆ, my lord.
Compliance ಆಗಿದಾ?
Last week it is complied.
ಏನಂತ ಏನಿತ್ತು? Direction is for ಕುತಳಮ್ಮ.
To consider the application of the complainant,
ಯಾವಾಗ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
it is on 21/9, my lord.
21/9 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
It is communicated to complainant by RPD.
ಕಳಿಸಿರಾ?
Kalshir.
Consider the case of petitioner ಇದೆ. ಅದೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿಬಿಟ್ರಂತ.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
during that period, minority. Learned single judge, wide order dated 15 February 2024, entered in complainant's WP number 102662 of 2023, yes, res, has made the following order. First of para 9 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು as it is based in para 9. Next. Learned counsel appearing for the
Granted.
complainant.
Within 3 months to consider the application.
We have reproduced it.
Some delay.
Learned counsel appearing for the complainant submits that in matters of compassionate appointment, the decisions have to be taken by the authorities on a war footing, lest the very object would be defeated. First, next paragraph. learned counsel appearing for the answering respondent submits that the compliance in terms of order in question having been done, an endorsement dated 19 September 2024 has been issued to the complainant by registered post. First, the operative portion of the endorsement reads as under. ನೋಡು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. Next paragraph. We agree with the submission of learned counsel appearing for the respondent that there is compliance of the order, and therefore proceedings need to be dropped. First, next paragraph. Ordered accordingly, costs having been made easy. Full stop. Liberty is reserved to the complainant to work out his grievance against the endorsement elsewhere in accordance with law, and in that connection, all contentions of the parties are kept open.
This, the next thing that they just said, there is no.
They said, give the appointment. Consideration may be wrong, but there, we cannot undertake critical examination. Yes.
Blood. Direction to grant arrears, my lord, 15-month arrears. It's already credited to his account.
Order is complied.
Learned GA appearing for the answering respondent submits, and learned counsel appearing for the complainant does not dispute that there is compliance of the order whose violation is complained of. Full stop. In view of the above, proceedings are liable to be dropped, and accordingly they are.
Please.
Please.
My lords, the connected, in the connected matters, this honorable court granted stay.
Just to present
25, subject to deposit of 25%, my lords.
possession ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗಿದೆ ಅದು 25% ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ.
Please.
ಡಿಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೋ ಡಿಲೇ ತಾನೆ?
There is a delay, my lords, but.
ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
114 days, my lords. ಅದು ನೋಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, my lords.
This objection.
Please, my lords.
Same.
My lords, one humble submission, my lords. There were 3 appeals pending, my lords. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ವಾರೆಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿದೆ, my lords. We have to seek the deposit of ಅದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಯ್ತು, my lords. Post before the DB ಅಂತ. Please, I am appearing for Kevin. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಡಿಲೇ 114 days ಇದೆ. Old act.
Same entry model.
Please, great. Please. Grateful, much.
Call along with Madakan. Posting in
Please,
memo
my
ಕೊಡಿ.
lords. Please.
My lord, there is a delay of some 9 days.
ಏನಿದು?
My lord, dismissed employee, as per the railway rules, only 2/3 is the maximum pension liable to be paid. But on oral submission, subsistence allowance ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ 100% ಅಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. That cannot be passed. Rules provides only 2/3 maximum.
ಅಂತ ಆಗತ್ತನಾ?
And the subsistence allowance is also paid.
Justice Narendra judgment.
Yes, ma'am. That copy, it is part of the judgment, part of the records, my lord, just for convenience I have produced. Subsistence allowance, 2, my lord.
2/3 ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, subsistence allowance paid ಆಗಿದೆ. Column 2 and 3. Only two.
The rate of, that is rule 65.
Yes, rule 65 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2/3 is the maximum.
Okay.
ಈಗ ನಾವು 100% ಅಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Subsistence allowance is paid, that is document 2. ಅದು oral submission ಮೇಲೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Notice,
Please.
emergent notice.
And ಆ book I may produce ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, otherwise I may permitted to produce some other book.
ಯಾವ book ಹೇಳಿ?
ಅದೇ ನಾಳೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಪಾಳಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅದು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
To emergent notice, first up, council, the panel council is permitted to present some other books.
Please.
If the books mentioned in the order dated 28/8/2024 is not available.
Please.
ಅದು ತರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಜಾಮತದಲ್ಲಿ
I have read it.
ಧಾರಾವಾಹಿ
ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಂತೆ.
ರಾಜಶೇಖರ ಭೂಸ್ನೂರ್ ಭಟ್, he was one of the great professors in
I have read that ಇದು columns.
Your Lordship, I have filed application for setting aside of order dated 99, as well as I have deposited the 40,000 litigation cost, Your Lordship, filed memo with DD, Your Lordship.
Last time there was an order that by evening the amount is to be deposited, Your Lordship.
Yes. Apart from that, during the course of that day, it was not possible for this respondent to deposit the amount. So within 2-3 days, he has arranged the amount and he has deposit by DD. Amount is already produced.
Lordship, I'm filing.
40,000, yes. I have produced.
It is not deposited in the account of that appellant, Your Lordship, but they have deposited before the.
Account is
ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
freezed. Account was freezed. Accordingly, it is DD is produced.
I'm filing a memo to transfer that amount to the appellant.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಬಿಡಿ. ಅದೇ.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Current counsel appearing for the respondent submits that has complied the order dated 19/9/2024 by depositing 40,000. He further submits that he could not comply said order within the time stipulated in view of some financial constraints. Said submission is placed on record in view of the fact that he has deposited 40,000 rupees in the registry. The appellant is permitted to withdraw the said amount.
May I
Registry shall transmit the amount digitally to the account of the appellant.
I'm furnishing the details.
ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು.
I got it.
On furnishing bank particulars of the appellant.
Yes.
Forthwith.
Meanwhile, the order dated be set aside, Your Lordship. Order dated 99 be set aside. Wherein the this one pleadings of this was stricken off. The
The defense was struck, otherwise the defense ought to have been struck.
I request, Your Lordship.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ನಾವು modify ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. To the aforesaid extent, order dated 19/9/2024 is modified.
Yes, Your
ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ. Control ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, Your Lordship, yes.
Correct.
Then memo ಬೇಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Please. Because the other side has stated that the account is freezed. It is not freezed. That's why. Please. Please. Achoo.
I dispute of. I do of 20 minutes.
Insurance challenging the liability as well as the quantum of compensation, my lord.
Entire amount cut delay ಇದೆ. ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವರಿದಾರ ಒಬ್ಬರೇನಾ? Issue Sri Ashok in Naik entered appearance for respondent number 1 to 5. Emergent notice to respondent number 6. Meanwhile, there shall be interim order stay of interim judgment and award of the tribunal subject to appellant depositing entire compensation amount before the tribunal within a period of 8 weeks. The tribunal shall invest the same in any national effect, same aforesaid. Call for PCR. Same on.
Insurance company appeal. Insurance company appeal.
R1 ಯಾರು?
R1 is,
Stay.
and the list along with the other appeals, my lord.
Last one, list along with him.
And call for a caution of appeals.
R2 notice.
Please.
Owners appeal.
My lord, owner appeal. Insurance illa, my lord, so.
ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ? ದುಡ್ಡು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ?
15 lakh in my share, my lord.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಕಟ್ಬೇಕು.
40% ಮಾಡು.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
Deposit ಮಾಡು.
ಕಟ್ತೀರಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅದ? 40 ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
Total 15 lakh ಅದ, my shares, my lord.
6 lakhs ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನಾ?
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದ.
6 ಲಕ್ಷ.
6 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕಟ್ತೀರಾ?
Please.
ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ?
8 weeks.
3 4 ವಾರ, 4 ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಲಿ. 4 ವಾರ
ಇಬ್ರು ಕೇಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೇಟ್.
Caveat.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
Accepting the cost of delay of 126 days, referring the unknown. Stop heard on I-1 of the appeal. Appeal is filed by the owner of the vehicle involved in the accident. Noting the financial difficulties expressed by the lead counsel for the appellant. Whereof considered view that the appellant is considered view that the appellant shall deposit rupees 6 lakh before this court within a period of 10 weeks. Out of the said amount, he shall deposit rupees 3 lakh within a period of 5 weeks from today, and remaining 3 lakhs a remainder period of 5 weeks. There shall be interim order of stay after such subject to condition that on such deposit there shall be an interim order of stay of the impugned judgment and award of the primary stated. The registry is directed to reinvest the said amount during the pendency of this appeal. Call for TCR.
Lovely.
Appearing for the complainant, sir. The order of which has been disobedience is at page number 14, ma'am.
GA notice ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Formal. Respond to pro forma.
Exception notice corresponding to emergency notice to responding to one.
Copy ಕೊಡಿ, please.
This one. Just a formal part.
ATM enough.
Lord, respond number 5 may be take note.
5 pro forma.
5 AGA. Please. Emergent notice.
Copy ಕೊಡ್ರಿ,
Please.
19, I have filed caveat petition, your lordship. I will file objection to IA number 2, your lordship. IA number 1 may be allowed.
Okay.
Consider ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು why appeal still 64 dispose of ಮಾಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಮಠದ ಕೇಸು, ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗಿನ್ನು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಕೆವೇಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Your caveat.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ವಾ ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಲಿ.
19 matter. Okay. Please.
There is no representation for the appellant. Just immediate application.
Please.
Appearing for complainant. Conclude the 64A inquiry within 8 weeks. Till this step,
64 ದಿನ ಆಯ್ತು.
64A inquiry.
Cooperative society.
ಇಲ್ಲ, Forest Act.
64A.
Please. Lord, it's first respondent is not adjourning the matter. Without, there is no progress.
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ.
Contempt.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾರ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Conclude ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. 8 weeks ಅಲ್ಲಿ conclude ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ there is a direction.
ಏನ್ರಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ?
ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಅವ್ರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನೋಡಿ ACF.
Within 8 weeks dispose
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
ಮಾಡ್ರಿ.
ಅವರು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ 8 weeks ಮಾಡ್ರಿ.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Writ appeal ಅಲ್ಲ,
Contempt.
contempt. ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್
ಈ CC number ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ರಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದಂಗೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ 60.
8 weeks ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು 23rd ಡೇಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೆ ಅವತ್ತು ಹೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Proceeding, he is assuring.
Yes. Liberty may be.
Same number.
May I pass on the office?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ರಾಂಗ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಅದು FR ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ
Number same. The learned single judge, by his order dated 29/4/2024, entered in complainant's WP number 100949 of 2024 GM form, had directed consideration of completion of section 64A inquiry proceedings under the provisions of Karnataka Forest Act 19 so and so within an outer limit of 8 weeks.
1960.
Reckoned from 13/3/2024. First, counsel for the complainant submits that there is willful non-compliance of the said order, and therefore the accused should be summoned, tried, and punished for the offences punishable under sections 11 and 12 of Contempt of Courts Act 1971. First, learned GA appearing for the answering respondents in all fairness submits that in the recent past, the jurisdictional officer has taken charge
and 23rd ಡೇಟ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಫೈನಲ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್.
and that 23/10/2024 is fixed as the date for final hearing of the matter, and therefore, and that the matter, the inquiry in question would be concluded
Please.
within an outer limit of 8 weeks from this date. First, we are satisfied with this assurance. First, next part. In view of the above, the proceedings are liable to be and accordingly dropped, with liberty to seek their revival in the event this direction is not complied with.
Please.
And non-compliance would amount to aggravated contempt.
Please. AGA may be directed to take notice. Both. Please.
ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿ
Same number.
ಬೇರೆ ಓಕೆ
Grateful.
ಹಾ
There is a delay of 181 days, my lord. There is a delay of 181 days. Similar identical matters for the lordships was pleased to issue notice in all the matters, where about 14 matters have been filed by the state challenging the order passed by the learned single.
ಇವು ಎರಡು ಹೌದಾ?
ಹೌದು.
21/22
ಹೌದು.
issue emergent notice. Main and please. 21/22 same. ಮುಗಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್. ಹಾ ಏನು ಹೊಸಮನೆ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಹುಲ್ಯಾಳಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರು? ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ? ಬಾ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿಪ್ಪ? ಏನಿಲ್ವಾ? ಬರ್ತಾರ? ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಲಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಕಮ್. ಏನೋ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
My lords,
ಹಾ
same layout of 621,
ಹಾ
agreeable for them.
agreeable.
Agreeable.
Please, in the same.
Your commissioner also has come.
Yes, sir.
ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್. ಯಾರೋ ಒಂದು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ತನಕನೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ.
621.
621 ನಾ?
Yes, sir.
There is, my lords, cost was imposed upon them.
I will check is ready. Check is also ready.
Please.
Commissioner is here. He has earned very good name also. ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Ah, 46. No, no, no. Proposed accused number 2. He is proposed accused number 2, not accused.
They're not happy with the counter affidavit filed by the authority. That was adjourned. Today, then counsel, Sri Gudiyar, on instruction from Sri
CW Sekil Ahmad. Yes. He's already recorded. Present Commissioner.
Belgavi
Urban.
Authority present to the court submits that the authority would allot site number 621 in scheme
Number 40. His scheme.
developed by the authority. Said submission is placed on record. It is further submitted that
Within what period?
immediately they would issue allotment letter and submit the draft sale deed to the complainant, and they would complete the entire registration process within a period of
By next week, well.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yes, please.
Said submission is placed on record. Said submission / undertaking placed on record. The present content petitions are closed with the liberty to the complainant to revive in case the respondent does not adhere to the undertaking given above.
Yes, please.
It's great.
Solve ಆಯ್ತು.
In fact, review is pending, still in Supreme, review is pending.
Subject to that.
They are entitled to. ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಹೌದು. ನಾವು ಸುಮ್ನೆ ನಾವು ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಜೋರು ಮಾಡಿ ನಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೇನೋ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ 10 ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
Please.
ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹಂಗ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. We understand all that.
Since I also work for corporation, but NW KSRTC, I have been at the receiving end of the bat.
Simple ಇರಲ್ಲ. Anyway, he's a good officer. He's a very strong lawyer. That's the reason he is engaged in matters like this. These 2 months went very fast, very fast. And all of you cooperated in the disposal of about 1,200 matters.
Yes.
More than 1,200 matters, 245 matters. So we are grateful to you. We are very happy. Myself and my brother very often speak of very high of this bar. Gangadhar. This has
entire bar should be indebted to my lordship.
we learn from you. We in fact advocacy ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವಲ್ಲ. ಅವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಅಗೇನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. AS ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಬಂದ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಈ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಫ್ಯೂ ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್. That's under, there is lot of improvement in the standard of this bar, which makes us very proud because we belong to this bar.
Actually, ಈ ಸಲದ್ದು ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇಂದು ಅದು ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಾ ಭೂತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯತ್ತೆ ಆದಂಗ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಭಾರಿ we all enjoyed, we really enjoyed this period. ನಮ್ಗೆ 2 ತಿಂಗಳು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಜೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಹನಿಮೂನ್ ಕಪ್ಪಲಿಗೆ ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
May I file application for correction of judgment, madam? Please.
ನೋಡಿ ಚೇಂಬರ್